Hey, what's up guys, Greenstone1 here, and we finally reached 1,000 subscribers! Again! You OGs could probably tell, what better way to celebrate than making another cooking show video? So we're going to be making grilled cheese because it's been years since I had one. You can choose whatever bread you want. Before we do anything, let's butter up our bread. Alright, so you're supposed to leave the butter out so that you can spread it easier, but let's just roll with this. Oh shoot, did it? Oh shoot, did it? Whoops. Now it's time for the cheese. You could use whatever cheese you want, but for the purpose of this video, we're just going to be using the classic American cheese. Just because. Come on, get me. Come on, let me get two. Stop sticking to each other. Alright, fine, we're just going to get the bottom two then. After you select your cheese, all you need to do is put the cheese on the bread. Well, it's time to throw this on the stove. Make sure it's... Ah, frick, that's hot. Just kidding. The heat doesn't really matter, so I'm just going to run a solid 2.0 because I like those odds. 20% is awesome. Actually, I changed my mind. Let's go with 8.0. 80% seems a risky odd, but we're just gonna run with it. Looks like the pan is hot enough. Let's just toss these bread onto the pan. Frick, I got butter all over my hands. Alright then, now we just let it cook for a bit. Looks like the bread has some coloring. It's not ready because the side feels soft. We want it to have a crusty feel, so just leave it on for a bit. Just play around with your food if you're bored like me. So the sides are crusty, meaning it's ready to place together. Well then. It seems I messed up and the cheese is now stuck. Oh well, I guess we're just gonna run with this. So you can tell that the top is now brown, which is perfect. Now we can just flip it and let it cook for a bit. Oh, look at the bottom. That looks good. We could just turn off the heat and let it cook. Hey, you guys like my fake title screen wallpaper? Anyways, the grilled cheese is finally done and it's ready to eat. The bottom isn't that cooked, but it's cool. Time to dine in. Mmm. Mmm. It's actually good. You're probably wondering how I'm eating while talking. Well, that's because this video has been voiced over. And why would you want to listen to me eating? But hey, this wallpaper looks nice, don't you say? Hey, look, it's Chroma! And hey, it's Roy from Super Smash Bros. Well, I'm almost finished with this. Hey, we like Ike, right? About a bite or two left. Dang, this cheese feels like plastic, but it's cool. One last bite. Just gotta pick up the remaining scraps. Voila! We're finally finished. So not sure why I'm doing this with my hands here, but thank you for watching. I'm reading off of a script, so like, subscribe, and bye! I suck at outros. Seriously, that's the whole script? Like, what the frick? This isn't even a page long. It just got chopped off.